Good morning, family. Happy Monday. That long-ass weekend is finally over. We get to trade again, guys, so thank God. Thank God. Before I jump into this video, guys, just want to let y'all know our summer swing trading course kicks off tonight. Guys, I can't thank y'all enough to those of you who registered. This is by far the biggest course we're doing thus far, as far as how many of you guys have registered. And I think as of this morning, we almost got damn near 40 of you guys. So it's unbelievable to me, guys. It's almost a little bit bizarre, right? Back when I started the Instagram page in 2017, I never, could have imagined that the group would grow like this. But I'm proud of the fact that we've done it the right way, right? Not selling a dream, not selling some BS, not overcharging people. We've created such an awesome community. So I love you guys. Appreciate the hell out of you. If you want to register, you guys can head there. We got class tonight at 6 p.m. Cutoff time. Be patient, guys, right? The last couple of days here, the market's been pumping, and I can already tell all of these traders, right, are falling back into that groove of this is easy money because you got shit like Tesla, Amazon, just cranking towards Mars. I'm not saying, guys, these moves can't continue, but I'm telling y'all, just like every other time in the market, at some point the show is going to end. So make sure y'all keep that in mind. And that's important heading into this morning, guys, because half of these names that we look at are already gapping up, some of them gapping up pretty significantly, so we don't want to be chasing. As far as the market goes, guys, we got the big resistance up here, right around 32.25. That's where we got stuffed before rolling over down to the 21 EMA at the beginning of June there. If we pull up the Bollinger Bands, we've got a daily squeeze. So keep in mind, guys, just like the last daily squeeze right here, we could see a lot of back and forth noise, a bunch of choppiness, just a whole bunch of kind of BS until that squeeze can fire. So keep that in mind. We could see the same thing here, where we're pumping, we're dumping, we're screwing, we're all over the place until finally that energy gets released and that squeeze fires to the upside or the downside. This is so important, family, because inside the chop is when most traders get back a lot of their profits. Once that squeeze is broken, once the energy is released, in the most recent example to the upside, we got, 2 or 3 weeks of nothing but pure, beautiful momentum to the upside? Anybody can make money trading options in a market like that. This choppiness is where a lot of folks give that up. So be patient, fam. There's certainly beautiful moves taking place. There's plenty of strength for us to capitalize on. But man, oh man, we know that when the market is squeezing, once that finally fires, shit can get pretty fun. But in the meantime, we're liable to see a whole bunch of choppiness, guys, inside the squeeze here. I can't stress that enough. Just like the last squeeze and just like every squeeze before it, you can see a lot of choppiness until it finally releases. So that's a scoop, guys, on the current market. And listen, fam, I don't really got a specific watch list of what I'm coming, all geared up to jump into today, because this shit's just running away. I'm really going to be patient here this morning. And here's the deal, fam. Now, we look at something like Tesla, and everyone's making money on Tesla right now, right? I made some money on Tesla last week, and she's just going nutty right now. Right? So we close at 12:08 on Friday. Y'all take a look at this pre-market chart, and Big Mama is gapping up here, pumping all the way up towards 1280. So we've made, guys, let's call it an 80-point move. This is significant because the average move at the moment over the last 14 days, right, the ATR, average true range for Tesla, is $50. That would have brought us, guys, towards, 1260. So we've already made, call it 1.5 times the average move. That does not mean Tesla cannot keep running today, guys. But to the extent you jump in here at the open, you're jumping into a move that you need to be bigger than average. Right? You need just a big, huge, outsized day for this thing to actually continue to run. Granted, it's Tesla. Granted, the shorts are getting bent over and spanked right now. But nonetheless, guys, these are the kinds of things y'all want to keep in mind. We take a look at Amazon, right? And you get a pretty plump gap up here this morning. We close at 28.90. We got an average true range of about $70. That brings us, guys, right to about 29.60. You look here this morning, we're damn near just under that level. So you haven't quite used up the whole gas tank in something like Amazon, right? Where an average move would bring you right above the previous all-time high. That is a little bit different, guys, than something like a Tesla. which is already gapping up 1.5 times its average move after a ridiculous week last week. Can it continue to run? Absolutely. Am I going to jump into a position here this morning? Hell no. Guys, these calls are pumped up to the max. Not only that, if you held last week, if you held for the weekend, right? Imagine it was you. Imagine you're the lucky SOB this morning who held calls over the weekend. Imagine if your crazy ass had those calls since last Monday. Guys, at some point, these dudes and girls are going to be looking to ring the register and lock in those profits. Don't chase this. Right? Guys, tune out the Instagram stories, the Twitter. Everyone's making big money on Tesla right now, but what those traders won't show you is all the losses they take. Right? It's funny to me that when a stock is going up 7, 8, 9, 10% a day, everybody's making money, right? Everybody's a hero. What the hell happens to those traders when stocks aren't making ridiculous moves? You know what happens? Buying those lottos, loading up on huge size, right? All the shit that's leading to these big-ass profits you're seeing right now. 90% of the time, they're getting their ass handed to them on those same kinds of trades. So keep in mind, guys, every now and then a stock goes on a crazy run, and all of the traders who typically just get slammed, it's kind of their time to shine. But what they don't show you is all the trades that go against them. So I'm not looking to chase here this morning, guys. I need me some pullbacks. Throw that thing back. I'll be looking to get positions. That goes for Tesla, right? Guys, that goes for Amazon. I'm a little bit more open-minded to Amazon again because we haven't made the average move yet. Looking at something like Apple, guys. Ignore that. Not sure what the scoop is there. But we don't got to go into a bunch of charts this morning, guys. We know where the strength has been. I'm going to put a short little list together. The strength has been in Tesla. The strength has been in Shop. The strength has been in Amazon. The strength has been in Google. God damn it. The strength has been in Nvidia, right? Some of these semi-names. Guys, waves have already started. Look to ride these waves until they completely die out, but it's about when we play them. My advice today, guys, is be patient. Don't jump too quickly into these super inflated calls at the open. And me personally, as an option seller, fingers crossed we get some sort of little dip here today. Then those put premium spike, and then your boy Premium Pete here can jump in, grab a couple spreads, and then look for more strength towards the upside. So I wish you guys the best of luck. I love y'all. I appreciate you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be sitting here waiting for the pullback. I don't know about you guys. I'll talk to you tonight. Until then, be safe and survive today. Let's get better this week.